Arsehole. Come on. Come on. Be nice.
So Dave, is this B7 or J6?
We've lost our way. We should be following our instincts, not instructions.
We're going to build a boat.
Come on.
We build the boat first.
So you look back on this in 12 months' time and say, gee, how little he was.
This is going to take a very long time.
Come on.
Oh, look at that, it's going to make mad, passionate love now. And maybe this is what you need to do, sprout feathers and a big beak.
Hey, the bird reacts more. At least this thing will let me blow in its mouth.
Oh, jeez! I got that on video. That's good YouTube stuff. Too much information.
Fucking touch it. Come on. Come on, boys. Nice and cool at the back of my neck. Come on. Hey, come on. Settle down, dickhead. Hey?
He really is. He is a beautiful bird, aren't you?
You reckon, arsehole? Come on.
I'm not available right now. Please leave a message.